can you make sure that you have an amazing launch party for your mobile app, and then you have the most downloads in that first day, first night of your launch? It's really super easy. All you need to do is communicate the VIP offer that goes along with your launch. And the VIP offer is only available to those that download your app. So let's go through a series of steps so you kind of know what to do before, during, and after. So before, number one, it's always about content, right? You want to make sure you're publishing an app that is problem solving, educational, instructional, inspirational, motivational, oh my gosh, you name it. Once you have that, awesome, great. You put together all of your collateral for your website, for your social media. If you have a brick and mortar store, you put up flyers. You have to train your staff. They need to know about this app. They need to know that it's coming. They need to know what it does. They need to have all the ins and outs about it. So if people have questions, they can engage with them, and they can certainly promote your mobile app, because who best to do that than your own staff and yourself, right? So having these little conversations, it definitely helps. So you've created this buzz around your launch. Now you have your buzz. Let's move on to the offer. What should it be? Well, simple discount. It can be a VIP membership offer for a certain amount of time. It can be a freebie. Anything that'll make people feel valuable and special, and that will make them feel like, oh my gosh, let me download this app. Not only that I'll be receiving some great information from it, but I'm getting something in return. I'm getting a freebie. I love it. This is great. So you've done that. You have great downloads. What do you do now? It's that engagement part, and really what you do post-launch that'll determine the success of your mobile app, because you can have a brilliant marketing team that'll help you put the word out there, right? You can have a brilliant offer and people get really super excited about your mobile app, right? It'll help them solve problems faster. It'll help them shop with you faster. It will help them feel better, look better, all of the above. But then if you don't deliver on this promise, if you don't actually engage with your customers on a regular basis, if you don't update your content on a regular basis, this hype, this excitement will go flatline. And people will forget about your mobile app. And they will forget possibly even about your product and your service. And that is the worst thing that can happen to you. You have invested all this time and energy in building something that was probably very costly, right? And costed you a lot of time developing and brainstorming, writing. Time is money, right? And now you throw it away because you kind of let it be, forgot about it, and that is the biggest mistake my customers make. Or when I have people coming to me telling me, Lenka, my mobile app is not performing, what is wrong with it? Well, my first question is, are you engaging with it? If not, then that's a different story, different video. That's a completely different thing that we would have to solve. But remember, what you need to do to have a great launch party is to have a pre-launch buzz going on, letting people know, training your staff, launching with the VIP offer that you can only give to those that download your app. You don't just, do any favors and give it to everyone else, because then you'll make other people feel like, why should I get this app and clutter my phone if I can get it anyway, right? So counterproductive. Great, I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions about what type of offers, if you can't think of anything that is really relatable to you, just reach out. My clients range from here to here, all kinds of industries, so I can definitely come up with some ideas and let you know what has worked for my clients in the past. All right, hope this was helpful, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.